how to find payoff or worth of a long call or call option. Today we are very clear when we say long call or when we say call option, it simply both mean the same thing. So call option का मतलब क्या है कि call option खरीदा है. That means I have purchased a call option. Now to understand the mathematics or the mechanics of a call option, how does it work, and how to know as to what is the payoff of a call option or what a call option is worth, let us understand this with the help of an example. An example of a call option on a stock. So X has bought a call option from Y of 1000 shares of Wipro at rupees 750 per share to be exercised on or before 26th May 21. Okay, so this is an old example but doesn't really matter. It still makes sense. So that's number one. It means what? It means X has a call option in Wipro, therefore has a right to buy Wipro at rupees 750 per share from Y on or before 26th May 21. And let me tell you friends here once again, in India, the options which are available are European options. But the example that we are discussing as if it is an American option. But doesn't really matter because our objective is to understand the whole process. At the same time, also be aware as to what kind of options are available in India. Number three, why the seller of this option has an obligation to sell 1000 shares of Wipro at rupees 750 per share to X, that is buyer of the option, whenever asked by X on or before 26th May 21. So this is the transaction and I'm sure every one of us are very clear about it. For purchase of this call option, X has paid an option premium of rupees 10 per share to Y. So we have understood कि जब भी आप कोई option purchase करते हैं, whether you are buying a put option or you are buying a call option, you obviously have to pay a premium, and that is known as option premium, which in this case is rupees 10 per share. So here X is the buyer of the call option and Y is the seller of the call option. In other words, X is the holder of the call option and Y is the writer of the call option, right? So this is what is the case. X has a long position and Y has a short position. So I'm sure all of you are able to connect with what we have discussed already. So ये case में X is holding long position and Y is holding short position, because long का मतलब purchase किया है, short का मतलब sale किया है. Now what should X do if the spot price of Wipro on 26th May is rupees 800? Now this is question to every one of you. So पूरा केस आपके सामने है, पूरा ट्रांजैक्शन आपके सामने है, और ये जो कॉल ऑप्शन परचेज किया है वो 750 रुपये के हिसाब से परचेज किया है. 26 मई जो कि एक्सपायरी डेट है, एक्सपायरेशन डेट है, सेटलमेंट डेट है, मैच्योरिटी डेट है, उस तारीख को विप्रो इज ट्रेडिंग एट रुपीज 800. सो यू हैव टू आंसर एज टू व्हाट मिस्टर एक्स डू as far as this call option is concerned. Every one of you.
So he will exercise the option.
Very good. So he will exercise the option. And why will he exercise the option? He will exercise the option because the spot price is 800 rupees and the strike price is 750 rupees. That means spot price minus the exercise price, difference is 800 spot price, 750 strike price, difference is 50 rupees. That means this 50 rupees is the payoff in case of this call option. And that means what? That means if X exercises this option, he will be gaining 50 rupees per share on this call, and that is why you are right, he must exercise this option. How much will be his payoff and profit in case of X decides to exercise the call option? So as you have mentioned very rightly, X decide करता है कि भाई वो ये ऑप्शन को एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, तो उनका पे ऑफ का अमाउंट कितना होगा, एवरी वन ऑफ यू, एंड यू कैन टेल मी इन टर्म्स ऑफ पर शेयर, एंड उनका इस एक्सरसाइज से प्रॉफिट कितना होगा, एवरीबडी.
The payoff is 50 rupees and profit is 40 rupees.
Absolutely perfect. So profit, how do you get the payoff? So this is how you will get the payoff. Spot price minus the exercise price will give you the payoff, and payoff minus the option premium is your profit. So your profit in case of this call option is equal to payoff amount minus the option premium, and that is 50 is the payoff amount, 10 rupees is the premium amount, and that means he is going to earn a profit of 40 rupees in case of this call option. Now question again to every one of you, what should X do if the spot price on 26th May is just rupees 700? तो ऐसी परिस्थिति में X ने क्या करना चाहिए?
Not exercise the option.
Right, not exercise the option, or in other words, remember, if you do not want to exercise the option, you do not have to do anything. So if an option, and please remember, please pay attention every one of you, if an option is not having any payoff or any gain for the holder of the option, if he does not exercise it on the date of expiry, this option will expire automatically. So the holder of the option or the buyer of the option does not have to intimate anyone that I am deciding not to exercise this option. The fact that the spot price is lower than the strike price, अगर spot price जो call option की बात कर रहे हैं, in case of call option, if the spot price is lower than the strike price, obviously this option does not hold any value for the option holder, and therefore he will not like to exercise it. So even if he does not communicate to anyone, the option will expire automatically. So friends, this is how you will find out payoff in case of a call option, and you will find out profit in case of a call option. I hope this makes sense to everyone. In case if anyone has any doubt, any question, please go ahead and I would be very happy to take them.